Rivers State Governor Simeon Fubara don order heads of local government administration say make dem take over the affairs of the 23 local government areas of the state as the service term of the elected council chairman don expire for June 17. Governor Fubara talk this one for the statewide broadcast where e for yarn the local government administrators say make dem dey in charge of the councils and wait for further directives from the state government. E come commend the outgoing council chairman and other elected officers for their service and commitment to the people of Rivers State.
I wish to acknowledge and commend the dedicated services of the outgoing elected local government chairman, vice chairman, and councillors who were elected and sworn in 3 years ago and whose tenures expired the 17th of June of the year of our Lord 2024, as provided for by the law. On behalf of the government and the people of Rivers State, I thank you all for your sacrifice and commend your commitment to public service and our dear Rivers State. I congratulate you all for a successful completion of your tenure and wish you well in your future endeavors. As we move forward in making sure that the Constitution of the Federal Republic is upheld and that law and order is maintained, as we continue to strive to provide leadership and direction for our people, I hereby direct head of local government administration to continue to provide leadership in their respective local government areas. Head of local government administration are hereby directed to immediately take charge of the councils with renewed vigor and readiness to serve and await further directive as we navigate towards even greater accomplishments together. I assure you, my good people of Rivers State, that we shall continue to defend, provide infrastructural development, sound healthcare delivery, quality education, and undiluted welfare service package for all our people and workers.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.